Welcome to this HubSpot tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a professional web page using HubSpot's intuitive website builder. You will learn how to select a suitable template, customize your content by adding and styling text and images, and configure essential web page settings such as the page title, meta description, and featured image. This will empower you to build and publish effective web pages within the HubSpot platform without requiring any coding expertise. In HubSpot CRM, navigate to the website section and click on Website Pages. This is where you'll manage all your existing web pages and initiate new ones. To start creating a new page, click on the Get Started button. Let's select a template by scrolling down to find a suitable option for our landing page. After selecting a template, click Preview Template to examine it closely, looking for the Landing Page Event Sign Up 2 Inches template. To evaluate responsiveness, switch to the tablet layout to see how the template adapts to medium-sized screens. Then, simulate viewing the template on a smartphone by selecting the mobile version for an essential user experience check. To proceed, we will click on Select Template to choose a suitable design for our web page. Click into the text area of the heading to access its contents for modification. Now, we will input our own custom heading text. Let's type into the heading text field. To change the heading level, open the drop-down menu. We will select Heading 3 from the drop-down menu. Next, click the Styles tab to access styling options. Maybe align the heading? Next up, click on the plus button to access modules available for insertion. You will notice the left-hand panel now displays various content modules that can be added to your page. Next, type Button into the search field to filter the related modules. Then, drag the button module from the panel onto the main page content area and position it where you want it to appear on your web page. Now we will click the Edit icon to access its specific customization options. I am now entering a new label for our button, and this field specifies the destination web page when the button is clicked. We will now navigate to the Styles tab to modify the button's appearance. Are we good with the alignment? Let's change the button size to large. And how about changing the main style? I think the primary style looks the best. Scroll upward a bit. Click the Add button. Type Image into the search field to filter and locate the image module. And drag the image module. Locate or upload the specific image file you'd like displayed here. And then click this drop-down for size adjustment. To have precise control, we will select exact width and height for the image size. Here, we will input a width of 700 pixels for our image. I will now navigate to the Styles tab to ensuring our image aligns with the overall web page design. How is the alignment? I think center aligned is better. Next, I will increase the bottom padding of the image to 20 pixels. This creates additional space below the image, which can improve visual separation from subsequent content. How about adding some borders to our image? Scroll down to access border color options. Define the border thickness, border color, some corner radius, and most importantly, the border style. I'll choose dashed. It's too thick, huh? Okay, looks good now. Okay, one last thing before we can publish is to add a title to our page. I will enter a new title for our first HubSpot web page, which will also define the page's URL. Next, I will scroll down within the settings panel to find the meta description field. Meta description is basically a summary of the web page's content. This summary appears in search engine results and assists users in deciding whether to visit the page. So I will write a descriptive meta description, incorporating relevant keywords to enhance search engine visibility, while accurately reflecting the page's content. Let's also add a featured image option to improve the visual appeal of your page when shared on social media and in search results. Okay, is there anything else we should check? Satisfied with the page setup? I will click on the Publish button. And there you have it. In this tutorial, we covered how to effectively utilize HubSpot's website builder to create, customize, and publish a web page. We trust this guide assists you in easily developing professional web pages within the HubSpot platform. Thank you for watching.